Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Jenny's, and I've got some important run news for you, and you want to know, because not only is it a really cool deal, it's a sweet one too that you don't want to miss. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, right now you don't want to miss stuff like this when we have this, and you don't want to miss food deals. I am one of the few out there that tackles those deals on things that, well, we use the most and want to save the most money on. Food. So, I'm out of the box, guys. And you want to know too. So subscribe below, because I'm going to tell you how to save money at Dollar General on, well, all different kinds of things. And please, everybody, like the video on your way in. Make sure you share, comment, and that way we get you entered into that surprise Dollar General gift card giveaway that we're doing, well, every few videos. Like I said, it's a surprise, so you don't know what video I'm pulling, so you need to have watched 2 videos in a row. So just watch, and you might win some free money. And even if you don't, I'm going to tell you how to save enough money to make it worth your while. Alright everybody, what am I talking about? Well, we already kind of talked on and touched on the Klondike Perfect Storm deal. But what I neglected to notice is it expires tomorrow. It will not be as good a deal on Saturday. It'll just be buy one, get one free. Still worth doing. In any scenario I presented to you, it is still worth doing, because it is buy one, get one free. You're saving 50% off, alright? It just will not be as cheap. Be a few dollars more, as you can see. Now, I happen to find 2 more coupons because I managed to get into another one of my accounts. And those of you that are locked out of some of your accounts, well, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm still searching my accounts, trying to get in and trying to see which ones have the earned cash. So far, it is still just 1. But one of our crazy friends told me a wonderful thing that I was curious about. So I'm going to pass it on. You can use your cash back on one account to pay for items on another account that you used your number on to use the coupons. So let's just say I've got 2 accounts. I've got cash back on one of them, but I have the coupons for that item on the other. So I can go and pick up those items, put them up there, put my phone number in, use my coupons. But when it comes time to pay, I can go into the app, open up the app, the account that has the earned cash back attached to it, because it is just like a gift card, and that's how they use it, like a gift card, and pay for it like that. So you can use 2 different accounts in a transaction if you're paying with cash back. Okay? Now remember that cash back that you've accumulated works just like a gift card. When you go to pay, you tell them you're using a digital gift card. A Dollar General digital gift card. And I know somebody said, well, they've been told not to listen to customers. Well, obviously, if they don't know what they're doing, somebody's neglected to teach them. All they got to do is pick up the phone and not necessarily call their manager, but call the corporate number to find out what they're doing wrong. So you can make that suggestion to them, or you can say, you could just press that button over there that says gift card and scan this, because that's what it is. It's a digital gift card. Please and thank you. It's really simple, guys. And, I mean, that's why it's important to grow a good rapport with the people that are cashiers in your store. Learn their names. Say hello every time you go in there. Those freebie items that we get sometime, pass those along to some of those cashiers. You don't know how many 1 liter Pepsis that I have given those cashiers, because I'm not a Pepsi drinker. But I do like my potato chips. Alright, now, as I said, these coupons expire tomorrow on the 16th. So this is now officially a run now, get it now deal. So you're going to pick up, if you only have one $2 coupon, pick up 2. If you got both of these coupons, you're going to pick up 4. And your offer is buy one, get one free. Alright, now let's have a look at the end math. Okay, let's have a look at the math for this. If you've got one coupon, you're going to pick up 2 of those Klondikes for $4.50, and your out-of-pocket's going to be $2.50. Phenomenal deal at $1.25 a package of 6, guys. If you got 2 of those coupons, you're going to end up picking up 4 of those Klondike bars, and you've got $4 coming off. That's $5 out of pocket for 4. Again, a phenomenal deal. And if you got no coupons, you're still going to go pick you up 2, and you're going to save $4.50. You're at a $2.25 a package. Again, still an awesome deal. So either way you go, this is a run now, go get it deal. And if you thought about combining this, doing one of those Saturday deals I showed you with the pizzas and the Pepsis, go ahead and do those deals before tomorrow, by the 16th, okay? If you want to do those deals. Now, the one thing I wanted to point out to you, I did not realize it, but the Red Baron pizzas are on sale 2 for $10. So that's additional savings of 95 cents if you wanted to get you 2 instead of 1. The out-of-pocket, of course, would be a little bit more. Now, someone made a comment on in the comments on that video that they did not think that it would work. You would have to buy 2 Pepsis because they put it in the app, and that's what it showed. Well, not quite sure how they got it in the app, because the only way I know to do that is to put it in your cart. And you can't put the pizza in the cart because it's frozen. It says not eligible for pickup. So I don't know how they got that in there. So if somebody knows a way to add all that, short of just you putting it on your list, because it's not going to show on your list. But one is a store coupon, and it is for Pepsi, and the other is a manufacturer coupon that is also for Pepsi. So both should stack in theory. All I can do is tell you to give it a try. And of course, if any of the deals that you do don't work out to your satisfaction, you can always cancel the transaction guilt-free, or return part of the transaction. So don't ever feel like you're locked into any of our deals if you're getting things that you normally wouldn't get or do not really want or have no use for. So there you go, guys. That's your daily deal and your daily information. Hopefully there'll be some more. Blessings. Make sure you're staying tuned and watching the videos, because remember, we're giving away free money, and all you got to do is watch 2 consecutive videos. Make sure you comment on both and leave an emoji, because I like them both. I'm greedy like that. Thank you. I don't know if it makes any difference to YouTube, but you know, it's fun. So a comment and an emoji, a thumbs up, and share, please. I mean, just put it on your Facebook. That's all you need to do. Or copy the link and put it on your TikTok, your Instagram. Blessings. I love you bunches, and I'll see you again real soon. And because we got more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information for my friends.